everyone, my name's Teresa. This is a video about my extreme bedroom makeover. I hope you like it. I'm not gonna get into my life details. I'm just gonna get on with the video. So here you go. All right, this is the doorway. First things first, I will replace this door handle. Don't like the old style and the gold color, not really my vibe. Then I am going to sand the floors. I think there's two types of wood in there and a lot of nails, so it's gonna take a lot of work. Thinking about replacing the chair, but it is really comfortable, so I might keep that. My cat Bubba loves sleeping on that chair, so might have to keep it for her. Really love this mirror. Hello. It's very busy in that corner, so I might even just remove the bookcase altogether. We have my desk. It is very big, very space eating. Love this chair. Really is pretty. So cute, so probably keep the chair as well. I am getting a new bed. I do love this bed, however it is pretty low. So I'm thinking I'll get the new bed. It will be walnut color as well, and it will have a bed head, so that will look a lot better. As you can see, I have a lot of storage, so I don't really need that bookcase. Everything can just go in there. Also going to get a new rug for the middle of the room, and also going to replace that whole fan, get a new nice wooden fan with a nice new light. Around the whole room we've got this white wallpaper. Not really a fan of the wallpaper. I do like it, but I also don't. So I'm going to remove the wallpaper and I'm going to paint the walls white, and then this wall back here will be like a nice green color. This is the first piece of wallpaper that I'm ripping up, and it seems to be coming off reasonably well, but look at this, what's underneath. Very satisfying. A lot of condensation along this whole wall. So yeah, there's all this like black mold that's grown underneath the wallpaper, and it is, yeah, very wet, and even just touching it you can feel the dampness.
Hey, you little Spidey. Come on.
Oh.
Don't get in the way of the project.
So here, beautiful Julian is helping me steam the second layer of wallpaper off. It was a really tedious job. Do not recommend, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Some more mold by the windows as expected. Yucky. The whole house is sort of moved, so it's created this big opening here and it's bulging outwards. It's also up there as well. It is You can't really see it that well on camera, but it's like a centimetre protruding. So I didn't get it on camera, but our friend Brooke has sanded the floors for me, and I'll show you that in a second. The whole room is very dusty, so I'm about to de-dust the whole room, and then I'm going to get started on peeling the rest of the wallpaper off the wall. So this was the original flooring. I'm not sure what kind of wood, perhaps like a jarrah or some sort of hardwood. And then the second part of the room is pine wood. So it kind of looks cool, but it also looks really strange. The floor did turn out pretty good considering it was an absolute mess. So pretty happy with that. Thank you so much, Brooke, if you ever watch this video. Really appreciate it. There's still all of that wallpaper I need to remove. And look how dusty this room is. That's everywhere. Lots of holes in the wall, so I'm going to repair them and fill them in with this mortar from Bunnings. So I'm going to mix that up and yeah, slap it on. Comes in a powder form and you just have to add water. So put the water in first. Into my bucket. Here I'm mixing PVA glue with water, which is going to help the brick wall underneath the plaster stick to new plaster that I will apply in the next clip. And you can see I'm just spreading it on here just for a bond. And this plaster-like stuff that I'm spreading on here is called cornice cement, which I suppose you're supposed to use for the cornice. But it has many other purposes as well, like acting as a plaster foundation for the wall. And this is the first coat, and then I sand it back and then apply another coat and sand that. So then the wall would be ready for painting after I fill all the cracks up. Doing the plaster on the wall was probably my favourite part about renovating the whole room. There's something about filling holes with this substance. It's just so satisfying. So of course we have to sand the walls back and the window sills and fill any holes in the window sills just to prepare that for painting. So here I am getting ready to paint the ceiling and the walls. I'm using a low Voc paint from tintpaint.com.au. Definitely is a lot healthier for you. Doesn't off gas in your room for months like regular paint does, so it smells a lot better. Going in with a base coat for the whole room, and then we'll do a traditional white colour for the walls with 2 coats, and then the same for the doors and the windowsills but with semi-gloss. I'm applying 1 coat of tongue nut oil, which is natural for the floors. Absolutely love that oil. As you can see, I have painted the back wall green. Absolutely love the colour, but you'll see later on in the video that I find this colour did not suit the space very well, so you'll see a little change coming up. So at this stage I still need to put up some curtains and finish the skirting board. That needs to get installed, and also I need to get the new fan installed as well. It's a little bit dodgy, but I don't know how I did it, but it happened. Oh, that didn't feel good. I mean, it works. And then this, I've damaged the paint a little bit. All good. So the new fan is in. I've got a new handyman called Brett, and he's from Airtasker. He is an absolute legend. He installed it so fast and he did a really good job. It's not going anywhere. Perfect. So I really do like the colour of the green wall. However, I don't love it in this bedroom. So I'm actually going to change the colour of the green wall to something more subtle. Here is the end result. It's like a neutral beige, more yellow tone, more mushroom colour. I think it looks good. What do we got, babe?
Skirting board.
Currently mixing up some paint to paint my skirting boards, finally. Gonna do 2 coats, so should be good. Safe to say that I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing when it comes to installing a skirting board. Nowhere near perfect. These grey curtains are from Spotlight. They are block-out curtains, so the sun doesn't come through, which is nice. And I got 4 for this window, and then the window at the other end I got 2, so 3 pairs in total. Okay, so I've just about finished decorating the bedroom now. I'm just putting up some paintings and need to drill another hole in the wall. I know it's a weird spot, but I don't have much room to put paintings in this room, so you'll see. Hopefully it looks okay. This is one of my favorite pieces in the room. It is old and antique, and I'm going to use it to keep my mug collection in. Handmade mugs by my cousin Arcana. If you're interested in any of those mugs, I will link her page down below. It's on Instagram. And she just makes these gorgeous mugs. Obsessed. Get ready for the final review. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.